If you ever wanted to try reformer tower classes at home and you don't have the equipment, I've got you covered. You just need a towel and that's it. So are you ready to feel some really nice ab burn and get those flat abs? Then get on a mat and let's get started. Lie down, your feet are together, your arms are facing the ceiling and shoulder width apart. Pull your hands slightly outward the whole time. Come up to chest lift. Come up in a C curve. Straighten your back. And bring your hands to your head. Try to keep your shoulders away from your ears. C curve. And come down. And chest lift. Roll up in a C curve. Straighten your back. Arms go over your head. Bring them to your head. Shoulders away from your ears. C curve. And roll back down vertebrae by vertebrae. Now bring your legs to tabletop. Straighten your legs, come up, open, close your legs. They come in, your arms come up and lie down. Come up, open your legs, close your legs. Legs come in, arms up and down. Up, open, close, legs in, arms up and come down. And come up, legs open, close, legs in, arms up and come down. And up, legs are straight, open, close, legs go in, arms go up and come down. Now straighten your legs and come up. Your towel follows your legs and straighten your arms overhead. Come back down. Your arms go over your head. And come up. Straighten your back. And follow your legs with your towel and come back down. Pubic bone to belly button. So you keep your abs engaged. And put your legs down. Your feet are hip width apart. Your towel is opposite of your eyes. You're sitting straight. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button. Come back slightly. And then roll forward, still keeping your C curve. Now straighten your back and get your arms overhead. Shoulders away from your ears. Come back into the C curve. Roll back. And straighten your back. So pubic bone to belly button. Come into a slight C curve. Come to the front. Straighten your back with your arms overhead. Come back into C curve. Roll back. And straighten your back. C curve. Come to the front. Straighten your back. C curve. Come slightly to the back. And straighten your back. Okay, let's come into a mermaid sit. Your right leg is in front. Your right arm is holding a towel. Put it diagonally next to you. Your left hand is next to your shin. Side. Get your arm up. Rotate. Straight. And fully straight. Now come back down. Rotate. Back. And back up. A few more. Move from your obliques, so your abs are constantly working. They are engaged the whole time. Let's change sides. Now your left leg is in front. Move to the side. Rotate. Rotate back and move up. Side. Rotate. rotate back and up and side, rotate, rotate back and up and rotate and back up. Now come onto your tummy, and we're going to finish our workout with a back exercise to counteract your abs. Your towel is in front of you. Articulate up. Don't come too high. Pull your arms out to the sides and come back down. Push your pubic bone into the mat while doing this to prevent your lower back from hurting. Come down and come up. Pull the towel to the sides and come down. And come up. Pull the towel to the sides and come down. And up. Shoulders away from your ears. Pull and down. Push yourself into a resting position. Well done. That was a short workout, but I hope you felt your abs burn anyway. Well done. I hope you enjoyed my short workout. And as always, don't forget you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next workout. Bye!